Good evening, folks. Phil Saunders here. I've just got off another Dacxi cryptocurrency meeting. Now, look, for those of you folks who haven't had much to do or shudder when you hear the word cryptocurrency, this is a message for you. Now, I'm an entrepreneur myself. I've been in business for a long time, and there's a lot of things come and go over the years and whatever. But if you don't understand, or if you still are of the opinion that there's something not too comfortable about cryptocurrency, it's time for you right now to stop and just have another look. Now, the news that's gone on around this all over the place has been it's not a mainstream situation. There's a lot of things going on in the world right now that you would be surprised that are actually happening that aren't making the news. One of those things, for instance, and now there's no doubt about this. It's been released officially that the Chinese government is about to release a gold-backed cryptocurrency it's a government-backed currency that'll run alongside their normal fiat currency that they use. It's been created as a massive incentive for them to have an opportunity to do international trading as one of the largest, of course, economies in the world with something other than normal fiat currency. Now, if you stop and think about the magnitude of possibility, here's an economy that will be 3 times larger than the US economy in the next 10 years. It'll be by far the most powerful economy in the world, and they are moving to cryptocurrency as a national part of their economy. Now, if you don't get the penny dropping on that you really should be having a little look at this. You may not as well understand that the New York Stock Exchange has an open $300 or $400 million exchange that's only just got going to trade Bitcoin, funded by some of the largest fund organizations in the world. Now, it's just a fact. These things are facts. You can find them out. If you get on real news, there's no doubt about what's going on. Cryptocurrency is rising and will continue to rise. It's not going away. The Dacxi organisation that I've been now part of, in terms of I'm an investor there. I've had a look. I've watched what this is. I've been looking at cryptocurrency and the rise of it for a number of years now. Has an Australian government license. The Australian government is licensing organisations like Dacxi to go out and involve themselves in the cryptocurrency world under license from the government. Now, you've got to find out about this. This particular meeting that I've just been to has announced the 3rd consecutive rise in value of the cryptocurrency that we deal with, called DAC. Now, the Dacxi organisation, by the way, is a crowdfunding arrangement. It's not just a bunch of people that are concerned about coins. There's a bigger picture here, but I won't cover that right now. The person who's given you this is going to just introduce you to the concept. 50% rise on the 28th of July this year. 50% rise again in the value of the coin on the 17th of September. And now another 33% rise in the value of the coin again on the 5th of November. Good time for you to just have a little look, folks. You can invest in this. You can not invest is not a word. You can fund in, if you want, to this little thing for as little as $100. When I first got in myself, that's what I did. And now I have some of my superannuation in there. It's totally secure, as good a security as you'll get around anything that's out there. Have a talk with somebody about this. Somebody who's asked me to do this for you. Just ask them what's going on. This can be done in 10 or 15 minutes to look at the logic of where finance is going right now and where cryptocurrency fits in. Okay, folks. I'm looking forward to seeing you at some stage in one of the meetings that we have here in Australia. This Australian initiative is going off. Talk soon.